staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Longevity food. Top 7 health benefits of carrots. Carrots are one of the most popular root vegetables in the world. They are crunchy, sweet, and packed with nutrients that promote good health. But did you know that they are also considered a longevity food? In this video, we will explore the many amazing benefits of carrots and how they can contribute to a longer, healthier life. What are carrots? Carrots, Daucus carota, are root vegetables that belong to the Apiaceae family, which also includes parsley, fennel, and celery. They are known for their bright orange color, although they can also be found in other colors such as purple, white, yellow, and red. Carrots are rich in nutrients such as beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K1, potassium, and antioxidants. Health benefits of carrots. Carrots have been associated with many health benefits, some of which are listed below. 1. Promote eye health. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a type of antioxidant that is converted to vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is important for maintaining good eye health and vision. Eating carrots regularly may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common eye disease that can lead to blindness in older adults. 2. Boost immunity. Carrots are rich in vitamin C, which is important for a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which fight off infections and diseases. Eating carrots regularly may help to reduce the risk of infections and illnesses. 3. Reduce the risk of cancer. Carrots contain compounds called carotenoids, which have been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer such as lung, breast, and colon cancer. Carotenoids are thought to help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to cancer. 4. Support digestive health. Carrots are a good source of fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps to promote regular bowel movements and can reduce the risk of constipation and other digestive problems. Eating carrots regularly may also reduce the risk of colon cancer. 5. Promote healthy skin. Carrots are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can cause wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. Eating carrots regularly may help to keep the skin looking youthful and healthy. 6. Lower cholesterol levels. Carrots are a good source of soluble fiber, which can help to lower cholesterol levels. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the intestines and helps to remove it from the body. Eating carrots regularly may help to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. 7. Promote brain health. Carrots contain compounds called polyacetylines, which have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation in the brain has been linked to conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Eating carrots regularly may help to reduce the risk of these conditions. How to incorporate carrots into your diet. Carrots are a versatile vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked in a variety of dishes. Here are some ideas for incorporating carrots into your diet. Eat raw carrots as a snack. Add grated carrots to salads. Roast carrots with other vegetables. Make carrot soup. Add carrots to stews and casseroles. Make carrot juice or smoothies. Conclusion. Carrots are a delicious and nutritious vegetable that offer a wide range of health benefits. From promoting eye health to reducing the risk of cancer, carrots are truly a longevity food. By incorporating carrots into your diet on a regular basis, you can enjoy their many health benefits and contribute to a longer, healthier life. So why not add some carrots to your next meal or snack and start reaping the benefits today? Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.